Geographical location. Latitudinal extent between 32° 17' N and 37° 06' N. Longitudinal extent between 73° 26' and 80° 30'E. Position: it lies in the northernmost part of India. Borders: North, China, Xinjiang and Tibet regions. East, China, Aksai Chin area. West, Pakistan, Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. South, Indian states of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Union territory: it became a Union Territory of India on 31 October 2019 after the reorganization of the former state. Capital: Srinagar, summer, and Jammu, winter. Major geographical divisions: Jammu region, foothills and plains. Kashmir Valley, fertile basin between Pir Panjal and Greater Himalayas. Ladakh region, cold desert plateau, now a separate UT. Area: approximately 55,538 sq km after separation of Ladakh. Important mountain ranges: Pir Panjal, Zanskar, and Great Himalay Range. River system, mainly drained by the Jhelum, Chenab, Indus, and Tavi rivers. Geomorphology. Mountainous terrain. The region is predominantly mountainous, forming a major part of the Himalayan mountain system. 3 physiographic divisions. Outer Himalayas, Shivalik Range, low hills, made of unconsolidated sediments, elevation about 600 to 1,500 m. Middle Himalayas, Pir Panjal Range form the rugged mountains around 3,000 to 4,500 m high, act as a barrier between the Jammu region and Kashmir Valley. Inner or Great Himalayas include lofty snow-covered peaks like Nankun, Kolhoi, and Harmukh. Kashmir Valley. A synclinal basin, trough-like depression, between the Pir Panjal and Zanskar ranges, formed by tectonic subsidence and filled with alluvial and lacustrine deposits. Ladakh Plateau, now separate UT. A high-altitude cold desert region composed of old crystalline rocks, igneous intrusions, and glacial deposits. River erosion and glacial activity. Rivers like Jhelum, Chenab, and Indus have deeply incised valleys, glaciers have sculpted U-shaped valleys, cirques, and moraines. Karst topography. Found in limestone areas, particularly around the Verinag and Achbal springs. Alluvial plains. The Jammu Plains and Karevas, terraces of lacustrine origin, are fertile and support agriculture. Faults and tectonic features. The area is tectonically active, with frequent earthquakes due to the collision of Indian and Eurasian plates. Kareva deposits. Unique to the Kashmir Valley, thick layers of silt, clay, and sand, they contain fossils and are used for saffron cultivation. Geological structure. The rocks range from Precambrian to recent, showing a complete geological record of mountain building processes. Climate. Climatic diversity. The region shows great climatic variation due to its diverse topography, from hot plains in Jammu to cold deserts in Ladakh. Climatic zones. Jammu region, subtropical climate with hot summers and mild winters. Kashmir Valley, temperate climate with warm summers and cold, snowy winters. Ladakh region, cold desert climate, very dry, with extreme temperature variations between day and night. Temperature. In Jammu, summer temperatures may rise above 40 degrees Celsius. In Kashmir, average summer temperature is about 25 degrees Celsius, while winter can drop below 0 degrees Celsius. Ladakh experiences severe cold, temperatures can fall below 20 degrees C in winter. Rainfall. Average annual rainfall. Jammu about 1,100 mm, monsoon influenced. Kashmir about 600 to 800 mm, mostly winter precipitation. Ladakh less than 100 millimeters, very dry. Seasonal pattern: spring, March, May pleasant and colorful in Kashmir Valley. Summer, June, August warm in the valley, hot in Jammu. Autumn, September, November clear skies, falling leaves in Kashmir. Winter, December, February heavy snowfall in mountains and Kashmir. Snowfall: Kashmir and high-altitude areas receive heavy snowfall, especially during Chillai Kalan, 40-day harsh winter period starting 21st December. Winds and western disturbances. Winter precipitation mainly comes from western disturbances, moisture-laden winds from the Mediterranean region. Vegetation influence. The climate supports subtropical forests in Jammu, temperate pine and deodar forests in Kashmir, and sparse desert vegetation in Ladakh. Glaciers. High mountains sustain many glaciers, including the Siachen, Machoi, and Kolahoi glaciers. Overall character. The climate of Jammu and Kashmir ranges from humid subtropical to cold alpine, showing one of the widest climatic contrasts in India. Vegetation. Diverse vegetation. The vegetation of Jammu and Kashmir varies greatly with altitude, temperature, and rainfall, ranging from tropical forests to alpine meadows. Major vegetation zones. Jammu region, subtropical vegetation. Kashmir Valley, temperate vegetation. Ladakh region, alpine and desert vegetation. Subtropical forests, up to 1,500 meters. Found mainly in Jammu, consisting of sal, shisham, khair, acacia, mango, and bamboo trees. Temperate forests, 1,500 to 3,000 m. The Kashmir Valley and Middle Himalayan slopes have deodar, chapine, kyle, blue pine, fir, and spruce trees. Alpine forests, above 3,000 meters. Include birch, juniper, rhododendron, and willow shrubs, gradually giving way to alpine meadows. Grasslands and meadows. The margs, pasture lands, like Gulmarg and Sonmarg support lush grasses and wildflowers during summer. Cold desert vegetation, Ladakh. Sparse vegetation, mostly thorny bushes, grasses, and hardy shrubs adapted to cold, dry winds. Wetland vegetation. Lakes and marshes such as Dal, Wular, and Hokersar have lotus, reeds, and water plants. Medicinal plants. The region is rich in herbs like Sausuria, aconite, podophyllum, and valeriana, used in traditional medicine. Deforestation and conservation. Forest cover faces pressure from deforestation, grazing, and urbanization, but afforestation and wildlife protection programs are helping restore it.